Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. If you want to create a new playlist, remember to follow this step in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if this video is helpful. The first thing is to identify your YouTube application and click on it. Once you click on your mobile app, you click on your profile icon up here as indicated. You now click on your channel. You click on videos. Now, you now click on the three dot here. You see 4 options: save to watch later, save to playlist, download video, share. You click on save to playlist. You will now see list of all the playlists I created. You now click on new playlist. Now you'll be able to add a playlist, and then you specify the privacy, public, unlisted, and after the whole thing you click on create. Remember to subscribe to this channel if this video is helpful. Thank you.